So everybody, how y'all starting to play now? Oh, my sweet babies. Okay, I gotta have some puppy love. Come here. I need some puppy love. And I say some potties. Oh, little sleepy girl. Tell my Hershey boy. Tell my babies. Look at my little babies all come to me. Look at my little babies all come over to me. Hi, Jelly Bean. Hi there, lollipops. Who are you? Oh, tell my gummy bear. Look at that precious thing. Come here, Butterscotch. You're just pretty babies. You're just pretty little babies. Hey, I see y'all are entertaining yourselves over there. Look at my Skittles. Oh, look, they're getting in my lap. These are loving. They're much more loving than the little lab puppies were. They're sweet babies. Hey, and there ain't no milk there, baby. Oh, the pretty little things. And they love to be cuddled, which is just great. Hi, Gummy Bear. Who's hollering? What's wrong, little lady? Hi, you big girl. Are you pottying in my floor? Yes, you are. Well, you go ahead. I will clean it up, little darling. That's what we put this new floor in here for. I will just wipe that little teeny thing right up. Look at this. Don't y'all wish you were me right now? Oh my gosh, with a lap full of sweet babies. Oh, my little babies. I'm going to remember this in 2 weeks when I wake up in the morning and it looks like a war zone down here. I'm going to remember how sweet you are and how much I love you, and that's why I do this. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at that face. Look at that baby girl. Oh, goodness, that's a gumdrop. She said I'm pretty too. Yeah. You're sassy, pretty. Y'all crack me up. Look at her little pretty white toes. Goodness, they're noisy. Where you going, Hershey boy? I could do this all day, but I got work to do. Goodness, that was so noisy. Y'all want to play with the ball? I gotta get these babies out of my lap because I have to go to work. You little stinker. You little stinker. Oh, yes, we are getting into the fun times now. Oh, yes. Okay. That's enough for now. We got to take it a little bit at a time. Oh, my Skittles darling is sleepy. Come here, little Skittles darling. Come here, darling. Come here. Come here, little girl. Are you sleepy? You crazy, beautiful little babies. Okay, I'm going to let them play for a while now. We will be back later.